How to fix easy anti-cheat not installed in Apex Legends. So normally if you would like to download Apex Legend, easy anti-cheat will be included on the installation, or like the whole package will be installed directly from the game. But if it is showing on your end that it is not properly installed, all you have to do is to manually install it. So the specific folder on anti-cheat is just located on your main folder or the main file location on your Apex Legend. But that's going to be depending where you're playing the game. Say for example you're playing it via Steam, then you just have to pull up the library files folders on your Steam. But here's how you can generically found or install the Easy Anti-Cheat on Apex Legend. Pull up your file manager, and then in here just simply head straight into this PC and then onto your local disk program files, and then easy anti-cheat is usually located directly inside the folder of your Apex Legends. Now from here just simply run the easy anti-cheat setup.exe and you're done. And that is how you fix easy anti-cheat not installed on Apex Legends.